Kelly here. Here we go. So it's pre-release day, and I figure I want to open a pack. So we got two packs here we're going to open. One is the regular Modern Horizons 3. Let's see how they're set up. Oh, well, there we go. An Eldrazi Dragon and Phyrexian Tower. I think I should just stop right there. Okay, interesting. So, interesting. That looks pretty darn good to me. I don't even know if I want to open the collector booster now. Should I? I don't know. Let's take a look at what I got, because I'm not helping you out here. We've got that one and that one. So not a bad pull. Here we go. Oh, it's too much money. Okay, here we go. Do it in front of you, sir. Okay. Ah. Oh my gosh. I mean, I understand why it's got to be sealed so tight. Oh my god. There can be only... Okay, so now I want to go backwards. Don't I? No, I don't. Oh, I see the tokens on that side. Servo. Oh my god. Okay, so now... Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's going this way. Wow. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I am going to try and do this better so you can see the cards. Solid transformation. Okay. And then we have a pretty island. We have Meltdown Retro Frame. Aether Spike. Flooded Strand. Final Act. Wow. Pearl Medallion. Wow. That's pretty cool. Flare of Fortitude and Disruption Flute. Like, come on, I play blue. Not white. Oh, darn it. Wow. This is pretty interesting. Nothing super fabulous in that pack, but, well, Pearl Medallion super fabulous. I mean, let's take a look. If you play white. Flare of Fortitude. Well, again, that could be interesting. Sacrifice a non-token white creature rather than pay the spell's mana cost. Your life total can't change, and permanents you control gain hexproof and indestructible. Definitely not a bad card for a multicolored deck based in white, but again, you know, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Not a lot of multicolor. Usually you're going angels, but we shall see. Well, there is my amateur hour of opening cards. I am kind of stoked about that one. And we'll see what else gets pulled during our pre-release tonight. Take care and hopefully see some of you there.